Hey everybody, Charlie Weiser from azpiano.com. So I have a new series for you. It's a free series and it's called Cool Sounding Chords. And what we're going to do is over the next few videos, I'm going to be showing you how to play some very cool sounding chords. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So here's today's cool sounding chords. Key of E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So if you like the sound of that, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to play that note for note. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So first thing we need to do is go through the key of E flat really quickly here and number the tones. So E flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we're back at 1 again. Okay, so what we did for today's cool sounding chords is we started on the 3, we went to the 6, went to the 2, to the 5, and then we went to the sharp 1, which is going to be E, and then we went into the 1, E flat. All right, so here's the chords that we played. So for the 3 chord, we had a G minor 9. Okay, voicing, left hand, root, flat 7, 9, flat 3, 5. And then what's happening here for these voicings that I'm calling out here, if you're not familiar with that, don't worry about it. Just go ahead and grab the notes that you see me playing, and I'll show you, or I'll tell you in a few minutes how you can become more familiar with it. Okay, so again, the G minor 9 chord, to the C7 sharp 9 chord, voicing here, root, 3, flat 7, sharp 9, and then for the 2 chord we have the F minor 9, and that's going to be the same voicing as the G minor 9. So 1, flat 7, 9, flat 3, 5, and then the 5 chord is the B flat 7 sharp 9. And this is the same voicing. So we have the root, 3, flat 7, sharp 9. And then we're going to the 1 chord, or the sharp 1 chord, I should say. So the E major 7. Voicing, 1, 5, 7, 3, 7. And then we're going to play the 1 chord, which is the E flat major 7. And all we're going to do is just slide everything down a half step. Same voicing, 1, 5, 7, 3, 7. Okay, so one more time on the chords. We start here with the 3 chord, G minor 9, to the 6 chord, C7 sharp 9, 2 chord, F minor 9, 5 chord, B flat 7 sharp 9. Then we're going to the sharp 1 chord, E major 7. And then we're going to resolve into the E flat major 7. Okay, so one of the ways that we can get a nice sound when we play our chords is by voicing our chords. So what I mean by that is rearranging the order of the notes. Let me just give you a quick example. So if we take an E flat major 7 chord, right, that's root position, 1, 3, 5, 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the left hand and then play the root and the 5th, so I'm going to move it down an octave. Right hand, I'll play the 3 and the 7 here. So this sounds different than this. This here has a more soothing type of a sound. And what we're doing is we're actually voicing the chords. So we're playing 2 notes in the left hand, 2 notes in the right hand, and we are spread out over a wider range on your keyboard, which is going to open up the sound and make it sound a lot nicer. So there's many different ways to play all of these chords, using different voicings. And that's a lot more than the scope of this lesson here. So anyway, that's going to be it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed everything, and I will see you back real soon with another set of cool sounding chords. Take care, have fun, and enjoy.